Hello everybody, this is Steve Cooper with Balco. Welcome to Coop's Corner, shooting our video today from Wichita, Kansas, our headquarters at Balco. I want to talk to you about our MetaCaulk Firestop Intumescent Sleeve product. We have two sizes. We have a 2-3-4, which is made for 2-inch, 3-inch, and 4-inch pipe penetrations. You just wrap it around the pipe, install it in the opening. You can do this in concrete floors, or you can do it in concrete or block or gypsum walls. We also have a 6/8 device that can be used for 6 and 8-inch pipes, and it can be doubled up to do up to 12-inch pipes, all non-metallic. So I want to show you here a few different applications and a few different kinds of pipes that are used with these intumescent sleeves. So this represents a flat concrete deck, but you can also do this in fluted decks. I have a different video that you can watch for that. This is a high density polyethylene pipe, high pressure and things like that, used also for a lot of manufacturing and things of that nature. But you can just wrap your sleeve around the pipe from the surface of the floor and slide it down in there. You can hold it together with a pipe clamp or different kinds of tapes and things like that. It's all spelled out in the UL listings. It tells you what kind of connection, but you don't ever have to drill holes or anything like that. Just slide the pipe on there, put your clamp, and you can put sealant around the outside edges to give it a smoke seal. You can use MetaCaulk 150 plus or 1000, or just look at the listings and see what it allows you to use. This particular application is a CAJ 2707. So this is an ABS pipe in the middle. So this is a CAJ 2661. Same thing. Just wrap it around the pipe. Two different kinds of materials, no problem. Wrap it around the pipe, slide it inside the opening, put your sealant around the outside edges. So this is a metal pipe. So why would you be doing this with a metal pipe? Well, one of the things that we also do with these intumescent sleeves is we work on pipe couplings. So when the diameters get kind of large, sometimes what they'll do is core the hole in the concrete. They'll put a metal pipe and then they'll connect it to a plastic pipe on the bottom side. So you can see that's a metal pipe on top, and that's a PVC on the base, and this Firestop intumescent sleeve is wrapped around it and banded with hose clamps to create that pipe connection where it transitions from one type to another. So all very easy to install, very easy to work with, very accommodating for your construction applications. So thanks again for visiting Coop's Corner. We'll see you next time.